Welcome. We are here to not only help you look more beautiful, but also feel beautiful in your own skin. I'll make it like an act of self-love and enjoy it. I want to talk to the men today. Is facial treatment for men even necessary? Is it a good idea? So, facial treatment always most likely been associated with women beauty routine, but they are rapidly becoming a common practice for men too. In today's world, where self-care is becoming more and more important for everybody, men are realizing the benefits of regular facial treatment. And why wouldn't they? I mean, it's fun and other things. Men, just like women, deserve to take care of their skin and enjoy great complexions. So I want to give some points in this video why men need facial and what's the benefits. So men's skin needs a little bit different attention than women. Men's skin is mostly thicker, it's mostly oilier, and they have different hormones that play in the body. Also, men's skin is more prone to irritation if they shave, so also if they don't shave. So due to regular shaving, and also if they grow the hair, the facial hair, it also needs special attention, special care. Without proper care, your skin can become rough, dry, and prone to acne and ingrown hairs. So this is where I believe facial treatment come in. They can help exfoliate the skin, unclog pores, and reduce the appearance of fine line and wrinkles and acne scarring. And the results: healthier, smoother, vibrator skin. Really, it can really make the difference from how you see yourself in the mirror. So, for example, facials address specific skincare concerns. They always customize to address specific skin concern the person has, and also with men who are prone to acne can benefit from facial that will target more acne prone skin, or if they have hyperpigmentation, we always gonna target it. That's for everybody. But again, with men, it's a lot to do with like cleaning and healing. So it's a different approach. It's always customized and tailored, but it's a little bit different. Also, facials always are relaxing and a great place to stress relief. It's not only about looking good, but it's about feeling good. I always say that. Facials are incredibly relaxing and, providing this escape from stress outside. And I believe that when you are relaxed and can take a break, your appearance will improve, you get better results. And that will lead to boost your confidence. Like, let's face it, when you look good and you feel good, and when you look good, you feel good. When you see yourself improving, when you see your skin improving, you feel good from the inside. And that's also, it's like a cycle. It's improve how you will look outside. Regular facial treatment can give you this confident boost and self-esteem. So if you struggle with a skin issue that impact your confidence, such as acne or acne scarring, professional facial can really help here. Of course, with anti-aging, as for everybody, while it's never too early to start taking preventing measures. With the right facial treatment, you can protect your skin from environmental damage, reduce the appearance of fine line and wrinkles, and prevent premature aging. And it's always easier to prevent than to try to fix something. Facial treatments are not just for women. Men has so many beneficial, everybody can. There's no gender here. It's just a little bit different approach. So it's really again, this overall inner and outside treatment that will improve how you feel and how you see your skin Besides that, you will always get like my best tips and knowledge to help you in your skincare journey at home in a very simple and not so much time consuming way as you might think. So I invite you to take a rest and jump into this joyful world and pleasurable world of facial treatment.